welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa McDonald's Quezon Up Ranch. At itatry ko ang Sangre Meal. At makukuha ko kaya ang aking brilyante ng lupa. Let's find out. It's another food experience and fun experience na mga mangyayari kayo. Better watch this video because I will take you kung ano mga meron dito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, I will try the London float, which is Sangre Terra, and the cotton candy, which is the Sangre Dea. First, I will try the Sangre Terra. Okay. Sarap. Sarap siya, dalandan. Dalandan siya, may float siya. And let's try the cotton candy, which is Sangre Dea float. Let's go. This one, sarap. Sarap. Cotton candy, yes. Ayan guys, both masarap siya. Ayan. And kung naghahanap kayo, nagkikrave kayo ng dalandan, ito, I will recommend the Sangre Terra, ayan, which is dalandan float. Ayan. Basta sobrang sarap niya. Ayan yung cotton candy. Kung naghanap kayo ng twist of sweet cotton candy naman, ayan, the Sangre Dea. Like this. Let's go guys. Cheers. And now guys, mag-unbox na ako ng first photo card ng Sangre Chronicles, which is Sangre. Ayan. Let's see kung sino ang unang makukuha. Okay? Let's do this. Makukuha ko kaya ang brilyante ng lupa. Let's find out. Okay. Open na siya. Ready? Yan na. Careful lang. See? Moss na siya. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ito na. Ready? Ay, ready. Almost open na siya. At hindi ko pa nakakasino. Ready? In 3, 2, in 3, 2, 1. It's Sangre Flamara. It's okay. Brilyante lang ako. It's Sangre Flamara. Ayan. Yes, if you want to have this, you can go to the nearest McDonald's na malapit sa inyo at mag-avail na ng Sangre Meal. At if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my social media platform na nakikita nyo sa aking screen on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, I am Gerald, your President Jew, and the Prince of all media. Until next time, bye-bye.